Having trouble receiving calls on your T-Mobile phone? It's a common issue with a few key causes. First, ensure you have sufficient coverage. Weak signals prevent calls from reaching you. Check your phone's signal strength indicator. If coverage is weak in your area, consider using Wi-Fi calling, if available, in your phone's settings. A damaged or improperly inserted SIM card can also block incoming calls. Ensure your SIM is correctly seated and undamaged. T-Mobile is increasingly using eSIMs, so make sure yours is properly activated through the T-Mobile app or website. Lastly, accidental call forwarding is a frequent culprit. Disable call forwarding by dialing 73. Restart your phone after making any changes. If problems persist, the T-Mobile app has an AI-powered call health check to scan for issues automatically. If basic troubleshooting doesn't work, consider advanced steps. Porting errors during number transfers can cause issues. Contact T-Mobile support to verify your number's status. If you're in an area with generally poor coverage, T-Mobile has partnerships with other carriers for roaming. Check if roaming is enabled in your phone's settings. Also be aware that T-Mobile is migrating towards VoNR for seamless 5G calls. Ensure your phone supports VoNR and that it's enabled. Trends in mobile connectivity are shifting toward all IP networks and AI-assisted troubleshooting. T-Mobile's app uses machine learning to fix issues preemptively. As the industry moves towards integrated ecosystems and cloud-managed calls, keeping your phone and apps updated is crucial.